Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add custom fields to CRM here in Zoho. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Zoho, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding custom fields to Zoho CRM is a straightforward process that will allow you to tailor the CRM to fit your specific needs and track additional information relevant to your business. Now, first off, you want to make sure you are on the right Zoho product because right now I am on the Zoho Mail. I want you to exit this and go to the Zoho homepage. Then here, I want you to hover to the CRM section, click on it. Now, once you are logged into the Zoho CRM, in the top right corner of the dashboard, click on the setup or gear icon. There's going to be an option that says customization tab, and there is a section called modules and fields. I want you to click on it. Now, here you have so many options for you to choose from. You have the modules, tab groups, web tabs, and global sets. Now on the modules, you can choose any modules that you wanted. For example, you can use the leads, contacts, accounts, deals, tasks, meetings, and so on and so forth. All right. But of course, we're just showing you the options on the modules. You can organize modules, and of course, you can add new module if you wanted. But that is if you have a more experience handling the Zoho CRM. But for now, we're going to use the contacts. Now, you see, you can have a layout, rename, fields, buttons, links, and module permission, and a lot more. But we're going to click on the contacts for now. You see, you can choose the kind of template that you can use, right? You can rename, edit layout, clone layout, module permission, and map dependency fields. But just click on the standard for now, because it would give you to the custom field editor. You see, as you can see, you have 297 lefts for your custom fields. All right, if you haven't already. Now I have like a deep lefts kind of fields here, and if the good thing about fields is that you can drag this specifically to the position. If you wanted to this one on the top, you can do so, and you can also put in the image. You can set permission. All right. Is it going to be administrator, standard, and read aloud only? All right. Now, and on the first option that we're going to add in is going to be an image upload. All right. I'm going to drag this down here. Let's say I'm going to say this is going to be deep. There's an option here where you can edit the properties. You can rename this as maybe Deep L logo. The maximum image allowed is 10. All right, click on done. I'm going to click on the three dots button again because you can set permission and edit properties more, so you have more control. You can show tooltip. You can type in a little bit of message here, for example that, and click on done. All right, and of course you can add more new sections here. For example, you wanted to add maybe a phone number is already added here, last name. What else can we add here? Maybe a new subform if you wanted. Or at a new user. Let's do that. No, I'm gonna skip this one. I'm gonna delete this one instead because I don't want it. I'm gonna put in the URL instead because I have big plans of editing this one. For example, this is gonna be a DL. I'm gonna click on the edit properties. This is going to be YouTube channel. You can put in required, or you can also put in encrypt field and show tooltip. All right. This is going to be that. If you haven't already, you might want to subscribe to our channel so you can be updated on our latest content. Remember that we always upload videos for you guys on a daily basis. All right, you can put in the info icon or static text. It's all up to you. But for now, let's click on, if you want some preview, this is going to be the YouTube channel. All right, click on done. Once you are happy with the custom fields, all right, I want you to click on save. All right, the layout updated successfully. Now let's get back to the contacts for now. Now go to contacts again. For example, you wanted to create a contact. Now we have added the custom field here for the Jeep Laugh logo and the YouTube channel. All right, I'm gonna put in some upload image here. For example, this one, and I'm gonna click on the image on my local computer and click on attach to see if we have that. We can again add a new one because remember we can upload 10 images. And once you've done that, click on attach. So we have that, and I'm going to add in the YouTube channel, which is this. After that, of course, all you have to do is click on save. Last name is not all right, let's put in channel. How about that? Click on save, and voila. Right, so you have another contact here. And if you send an email, all right, let's try that. Let's create an email to this one. Subject is going to be this one, just to make sure we have corrected the right information. And we're going to add an image here. Now you see, by adding fields for all necessary information, you ensure that each record is complete and accurate, reducing the chances of missing critical details for your interface. All right? Because adding custom fields to Zoho CRM allows you to better align the CRM with your business processes, capturing relevant data, and enhance the overall efficiency and effectiveness in managing customer relationships and business operations. Click on send, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.